Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the Cunning Black Label Cup. Orlando Pirates 1, Siwelele 0. I'm joined by KP.
Yeah, Steve, KP.
KP, yeah.
Steve, Ukraine out here.
I'm
Nandi. Individual brilliance wins you games.
Yes.
That's
definitely.
a championship mentality.
Sure.
Nobody expected this to happen.
Yeah.
Like, equal my tungena fethi ubona ukuthi it was crazy scenes lapha abantu babambana ngekeeper ngiyazibuza ukuthi lentwana le wenzeni lapha yana iyenzeni lentwana le like ngiyazibuza ukuthi how on earth did you do that like you decide game kanje
and who does that
mfethu kusho ukuthi the street defenders ebayakho recall so
yes
libitso kudavi
one
Siema Obit
yeah
TLP is the latest and umatlaba naye ngathi umfundisile ukuthi mfana ngicela
this is the technique
yeah coming to the game yeah man siqale static man like siqale static because yes we've got the penalty nginokuzibuza ukuthi uMakhopa wanganikeza uhot at least ngoba ipressure ngathi uyamshaya nana because yes ngi understand ukuthi ukorile the previous penalty against TS Galaxy uyabo but igame kanje this is the cup that eluded us with history but yena SID beka feel like ngathi angizolkora yes wrong technique ushayipala yabona because after that best panic man like besilibala siluza amabhola unnecessary unduli naye angazi ukuthi wenzani nethatshela nonduli I think they were off today yabo and boy too like beba struggle in the middle that's why isiwelele beba pressure both these midfielders because bebazi kahle ukuthi if mama niyes isikhathi time and space they can unlock it defense bangaklimaza yabo and unduli now I think they need to understand one thing. That guy is a defensive minded midfielder. He's more of like a Caicedo. And Umchita mela fund build up man. Like Maxi was attacker. Any number attack. When iba last man like we edge of the box. Maxi Paul la figure very shy one time. But he just wants to sit back and abe extra defend. And one thing I like to coach Wadu we read the game. Wabona ukuthi okay sharp la. ngizofaka Apollo ku number 10 yabo or ngilethe bring uSibelebele on the right or sometimes ngidonse lokhu njani umremo on the left still yabo yes I sebenza ubule introduction ngambule I think it gave them a spark alongside kuMariko beka lethe a bit of a spark whereby like okay sharp ngizoba defensively edi number ku attack yabo it worked for them isiwelele nabo beba rely on a low block. But catch on the counter. I was like, okay, like Usaile is giving us problems. Potsana is giving us problems. But the problem they didn't create so much chances. They didn't create chances. They rely on Lama route one, like Batunukovic, Zwinela Mapola, and then they run in behind. It didn't work for them. A goal, linked to the goal. Abantabani Basu it's foul. Actually foul. Umbogazi won the ball clean. And mistake yazi kuphi extra man need two na take it defend one if it defend one iwin ball and then istriker sakho iwe phansi you as an extra man charge for the ball and umchita wayekela umbokazi push to the ball and then umoralo now this guy uMakaman mistake abayenzayo they are too close to each other no one is charging to Umbogazi uyabona ukuthi okay sharp should I look for a pass or should I look for Shaipal direct yabo so Umakaman was charging a bit closer Umbogazi knew ukuthi there's a man coming uvela shy one time Abulal and then that one they came for them for us yabo so man of the match ngama man of the match too okay Apolice sharp ngi understand ukuthi why is the man of the match because we created so many chances to cheat Umbogazi win so many tackles passing accuracy was on point and the goal that he scored is something else yabo and for isiwelele mina ngiyazibuza ukuthi but how they won against Marumo man like but it was a controversial moment buthi igame ephume ngedola and kusho ukuthi isiwelele I think this season abazo relegate ngibona ngathi bazo relegate
yasho bayawela
because unabozwane unomralo Makamani ushukela wonke lapha yana uSanoka Sharp nalomjita lo uMakhele una two center backs and the problem with those two center backs bayadangalaza yabo. And batangalaza like they're not too, they're far from each other.
Yeah.
And it gives i-trackers ukuthi okay la I'm gonna bully these guys because la baba too lokuja. That's why i-tracker njengo Miguel for instance, example. Ngeke ngawatshela abantu abaningi ukuthi abo Miguel no Quinica, if they meet i-trackers fana nabo Makgopa or i-trackers fana nabo Reyners or i-trackers fana nabo Sales nabo bantu bazo i-Chiefs banga consider anytime
base HIV.
Yeah. So it happened now ngisiwelele.
Yeah.
Yabo. And coaching ngicela asenze into ukuthi if the whole thing doesn't work against the low block whatsoever, ngicela like you rely on individual brilliance. Urele can provide that for you. Our police can do it for you. Umbule can do that for you. Now Umbule na add value game. But na mela faki extra effort, but he's a complete player. There's no player like Usipho Mbule in this country.
Yeah.
Yabo. And coming to Pirates and uyazi ukuthi la ibafana not only ngizobona international play i-career ngizokindle in that way. Yabo. And he knows ukuthi hayi this is the best place to be at. But well done to Ipagani yabona and well and ngifukwa wonke umuntu. Yabo. And ngifukutholisa ku Kabelo GP la akhona mfethu like ngicela like abekezela ukuthi izinto zakhe zoba sharp I just hope ukuthi whoever stole his phone, he will be held accountable and whatsoever. But I hope wherever he is, I'm sure he can see it. Yabo eqineni yabo like ngicela like ayibone yabo ukuthi abone ukuthi hayi ngibonisa ubuntu bami eqineni yabo. But well done Machete yabo like that's all.
Antwana ngikhulumela igame.